Hiring a call center or deploying voice-based generative AI agents. Cost-benefit analysis. Hiring a call center or deploying voice-based AI agents. A cost-benefit analysis. Are you one of those businesses still struggling with the high costs and inefficiencies of traditional call centers? If so, you're not alone. As businesses adapt to rapidly changing customer needs, small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, must decide between traditional call centers and innovative contact center AI solutions. At Automation Agency, we've been at the forefront of the automation and AI revolution, helping thousands of businesses navigate this choice. We've worked with countless companies facing the same challenges. If you're looking for a more efficient, cost-effective solution, it might be time to consider voice-based generative AI. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered customer care and explore why AI customer service might be the game-changer you've been looking for. The customer service dilemma. Imagine you're a small business owner burning the midnight oil to keep your customers happy. You know that excellent customer service is the lifeblood of your business, but how do you provide it without breaking the bank? This is where the age-old debate of human touch versus technological efficiency comes into play. Traditional call centers have long been the go-to solution. They offer that personal connection that customers often crave. A sympathetic voice on the other end of the line can work wonders for complex issues. But let's face it, they come with their own set of challenges. High costs, scalability issues, and inconsistent service quality can quickly turn your customer service dream into a logistical nightmare. Enter voice-based generative AI, a new era of customer care. Now picture a world where your customer service never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and consistently delivers top-notch support. This is the promise of AI customer service, and it's not just a pipe dream, it's happening right now. Take our AI agent examples, like Alfred, for example. He's not your average chatbot. Alfred is a sophisticated AI-powered appointment booking for small businesses, capable of handling customer inquiries, processing orders, and even closing sales. The best part? He does this 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break, acting as a 24/7 AI sales representative for SMBs. The numbers don't lie. AI versus human call center cost comparison. Let's talk numbers. Implementing AI instead of human call center solutions might seem daunting at first, but the cost-benefit analysis tells a compelling story. The AI versus human call center cost comparison reveals significant savings with AI. The initial investment for a traditional call center can be staggering. You're looking at hiring costs, training expenses, equipment, and infrastructure. On the flip side, setting up voice-based generative AI solutions like Alfred requires a moderate upfront investment in software acquisition and customization. But here's where it gets interesting: the ongoing costs of a human call center, salaries, benefits, turnover-related expenses, can quickly spiral out of control. With AI customer care, you're looking at minimal maintenance costs and periodic updates. It's like having a tireless, cost-effective AI customer service solution that's always on duty. Don't just take our word for it. On his first day on the job, Alfred generated over $17,500 in sales. That's the kind of ROI that makes business owners sit up and take notice. The ROI of AI customer service for SMBs is significant, making it an attractive option. Beyond the bottom line, performance that speaks volumes. Cost savings are great, but what about performance? This is where customer care AI truly shines as a cost-effective AI customer service solution. Availability and scalability? Check. AI call centers offer unmatched 24/7 availability and can handle thousands of interactions simultaneously. Consistency? Double check. Unlike human agents who might be having a bad day, AI maintains consistent quality across all interactions. Speed and efficiency? You bet. AI agents provide instant responses, dramatically reducing wait times. This level of service isn't just nice to have, it's becoming the new standard that customers expect. Implementing AI, easier than you think. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but implementing new technology is always a headache, right? Not necessarily. Implementing AI agents in small business operations like Alfred is significantly faster and smoother than hiring and training a call center team. Modern AI customer care solutions are designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing CRM and communication systems. And the best part? They're highly customizable. You can quickly tailor your AI agent to match your brand voice and specific business needs, making it an ideal automated lead handling with AI agents. The AI advantage: empower and equip your best employees. Let's break down why AI agents are outperforming traditional call centers across the board. 1. Superior scalability. AI call centers can handle sudden spikes in demand without breaking a sweat. Black Friday sales? No problem. 2. Consistency is king. Every interaction is handled with the same high level of professionalism and accuracy. 3. Adaptability. New product launch? Policy change? Your AI agent can be updated in minutes, not weeks. For automated lead handling, AI agents excel at automated lead handling, following up consistently and never letting a potential sale slip through the cracks. 5. Multilingual support. Expand your business globally without the need for multilingual staff. Real-world success. AI agent examples. The proof is in the pudding. Here are some AI agent examples of how AI is transforming customer service across industries. E-commerce, customer care AI handling order inquiries and returns, reducing cart abandonment rates. Finance, account inquiries and transaction processing, enhancing security and speed. The future is now: generative AI for customer support automation. As we look to the future, the potential of AI in customer service is boundless. We're seeing advancements in natural language processing, emotional intelligence, and integration without devices. Generative AI for customer support automation is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating more human-like interactions that can handle increasingly complex queries. For small businesses, this means staying competitive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. The adoption of customer care AI solutions is no longer a luxury. It's becoming a necessity to meet growing customer expectations. The verdict: a clear winner for SMBs. When we crunch the numbers and analyze the performance, the verdict is clear. For most small and medium-sized businesses, contact center AI solutions like Alfred offer a superior alternative to traditional call centers. Lower costs, unmatched scalability, consistent performance, and the ability to provide 24/7 service make AI agents like Alfred an attractive option for businesses looking to grow without breaking the bank. Ready to revolutionize your customer service? The future of AI customer care is here, and it's powered by AI agents. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? At Automation Agency, we're passionate about helping businesses like yours harness the power of contact center AI to grow, generate more leads, and boost sales. Our AI agent Alfred is more than just a customer service tool. He's your partner in business growth. Ready to see the impact of AI customer care on your bottom line? Contact us today to explore how Alfred can transform your business operations and customer experience. Let's write the next chapter of your business success story together.